Work being done right now.
It was at this moment he knew he messed up.
Oh, fuck. That shit crack, nigga.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
My God.
Alright, that's cool.
I'm super angry, but I have to keep working. We had to replace the broken Vavle cover.
The back is 8 and 9.
No, I'm saying on here, where is the back?
This is
the way the
front
front.
motor.
Okay. So 2 should be right here.
Yeah. So you have it.
So 1.
But you got to do one first, which is in the middle.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out which one is 1.
Right, one in the middle. Yeah.
So right here?
No, in the middle. This is 1. Whichever one's in the middle over here.
But that's what I'm saying. That look like 5 back there.
Open this shit back, bro.
I think 1 is right there, parallel across 2. Nah, cause he was trying to ask me to handle some shit. Word. He was trying to ask me to handle some shit. I wasn't here. I was like, huh? Nigga was like, yo, how many miles in that time? I was like, oh. You good language, I understand. Sorry, we didn't film so much of the process of putting the covers back on.